Top 5 foods highest in sulfur. Garlic is a strong source of sulfur compounds. It is used in cooking for its flavor and health benefits. Amount: 1 clove, 3 grams, sulfur, 4-6 milligrams. Onions are another good source of sulfur compounds. They can be used in various dishes and salads. Amount: 1 medium onion, 110 grams, sulfur, 5-10 milligrams. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain sulfur. They are versatile and can be used in many recipes. Amount: 1 cup, 91 grams, cooked broccoli, sulfur, 1/5 milligrams. Eggs contain sulfur, particularly in the yolk. They can be consumed in a variety of ways. Amount: 1 large egg, 50 grams, sulfur, 12 milligrams. Meat, including beef and chicken, contains sulfur. It is a primary source of protein and can be cooked in various ways. Amount: 3 ounces, 85 grams, cooked beef, sulfur, 1015 milligrams.